Hey guys, it's Dylan here. Today on Doing Stuff with Dylan, I'm going to show you how I got rear-ended and the lady seemed to think it was my fault. I'm sitting at a red light and she slammed into me and she says it's my fault. I even told her I had a dash cam. First thing. She still thinks it's my fault? You're crazy, lady. Watch the video to see what happens. Damn it, man!
From the Elk and Elk Studios,
If an auto accident caused you injury, call Elk and Elk at 1-800-ELK, Ohio.
92.3 WCOL FM Columbus, an iHeartRadio station. Download the free iHeartRadio app for all your music, radio, and podcasts.
Alright guys, that was it. That's me getting rear-ended. Crazy lady thought it was my fault. I mean, you guys saw the light was clearly red. You saw the car was coming. I mean, she would have creamed that Nissan Pathfinder if I wouldn't have stopped. So, I probably saved him from getting in an accident, to be honest. So, I ended up having to submit this video to them, and they paid me out pretty good. Alright guys, subscribe to see how I fixed the car. I'm going to put... I recorded how I got the car fixed up, so if you guys want to see what it took me to fix it for pretty much $0 out of pocket, watch the video coming up. I'll be posting a video in a couple weeks of me getting the car put back together. Appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to support my channel. I'm going to put a couple videos up over here if you check those out. Mostly transmission related content. I appreciate you checking them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that bell if you want notified. I appreciate it.